Bonjour, it is I, Ronaldo Kenosi. I want to go to IMTA basically because I know I possess the right qualities, the right set of skills required to prove to the world that Africa indeed has talent and that we are more than capable of doing virtually anything in this world, provided we're given that chance and opportunity to showcase it to the world. And that's what I'm going to do as part of the initiative. Hello everyone, IMTA is in the house, and for the first time they are searching for talent right here in Africa. Wow, Hollywood is in the house? Interesting. It is actually. The most important question is, are you that talent which they are looking for? Are you an actor? Are you a model? Are you a presenter? Are you a singer? If so, this is your golden ticket for you to claim your 15 minutes of fame. Simply let the rainbow of your talent direct you to this pot of gold, once in a lifetime opportunity. If you think you have it in you, you have what it takes to be a superstar, this is your chance. Showcase it to the world. Come to Cresta President Hotel every Saturday, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. and just showcase it to the world. Lights, camera, action, and the rest is up to you. Most probably you're wondering who could have put together such a magnificent event. Actually, it's a joint collaborative by Gemstone and IMTA. And so don't hesitate, don't delay. Make sure that you're right here with us and showcase your skill. It's your goal, your chance, your opportunity, your fame, and the ball is in your hand. Just prove to the world just how good you are by simply showing us your talent, and we'll broadcast it for you live and direct. Thank you.